Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Charmaine. So today's video is going to be on this sensational wet lace wig, and I have it in the style Audrey and in the color T1B30. Let's jump right into the video. So this wig does come with a 13x6 lace parting, and it also has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. As you can see, the lace is extremely light and it's not going to match my skin tone, but I'll show you what I did to make it work for me. To tint the lace, I'm using the Hansen Airbrush leg spray in the color Medium Glow. I'm using a makeup brush to apply it on the inside of the lace. The lace is looking so much better after applying the leg spray. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in so you can see what the parting space looks like. To my surprise, this wig does tangle. Since it's a short unit, I wasn't expecting it to tangle, but it does. It also sheds, and I'm not exactly sure if it's shedding because I cut too deep into the lace or if it's the actual wig that's shedding. Overall, I do think that this is a pretty wig. It does tangle a little bit and it sheds a little bit as well. And when it it comes to the lace, you will most definitely have to manipulate the lace in order for it to work for you. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.